Hey, what are you doing?
I think I'm gonna order a new deluxe Stratocaster.
Featuring Lucy.
Here we are at the Fender guitar building site, and I'm looking at building a customized deluxe Stratocaster. So let's take a look here. Okay, let's see about getting a sunburst body. Yeah, there we go. And then the next thing we look at is look at the neck shape. Let's go down here. Okay, we just kind of go with one of these necks. And then let's go with a rosewood fretboard. Now let's see about some noiseless pickups. Okay, there we go. And let's add a tortoiseshell pickguard. And we'll have the plastic as white. And now let's look for some locking tuners. Okay, then we'll go with the tremolo bridge. And let's add some gold hardware. Make it look classy. We added strings. And let's look at the price here. Wow, without even adding a case, that's pretty expensive. I'm going to have to find another option here. The Solo Stratocaster kit was unboxed. The total cost of the kit was $147.98. Here is an overview of the replacement components. The total cost of the components was $273.46. The fretboard was taped off with blue painter tape. The neck was sanded using number 120, number 180, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks. Six coats of TRU-OIL finish were applied to the neck. A decal was applied to the headstock and treated with 6 coats of clear lacquer. The fret ends were filed and the frets were polished with number 400 steel wool. The locking tuners were installed using a socket wrench and a screwdriver. The bone nut was installed and glued in place with super glue. Holes were drilled and the string trees were then screwed into place. The pickups and electronics were installed in the pickguard. The tremolo bridge and its components were installed. output jack was installed. The ground wire was soldered to the tremolo hook, and the output jack was connected to the pickguard. The pickups and the electronics were tested using a screwdriver and an amplifier. The pickguard and the tremolo cover were then screwed into place. The strap locks were screwed into place. The neck was found to be 5 millimeters too high, so it had to be sanded down 5 millimeters, and then the neck was fastened to the body using the neck plate and 4 screws. The guitar was strung, the string height was adjusted, and the intonation was set. This is how the finished guitar looks. The total cost of the guitar was $421.44.
Go.
Now that we've finished building it, let's see how it sounds, okay? I'm going to start with the first position, second, third, fourth, and then fifth position. Here it goes. Let's rock this budget deluxe Stratocaster. In conclusion, you got to ask yourself, $2,500 for a guitar or $400 for a guitar? Hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.